Hey, Jack! Sorry, I'm a little late.
It's okay, Nora. I just came a few minutes ago.
Did you already start recording?
Not yet. I was waiting for you.
Good. I didn't want to enter in the middle like a dramatic movie character.
Honestly, that would have been funny.
Very funny.
Sit down.
Thanks. Wow, the weather feels really nice today.
Yeah, this tree gives perfect shade, too.
And the park is surprisingly quiet today.
Perfect place for a podcast conversation.
Exactly.
Is the mic working properly?
Wait, let me check.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working now.
Nice. You already brought your grammar book?
Of course.
You really take these English conversations seriously.
Someone has to.
All right. What topic are we doing today?
Do and does. Oh no, the topic confuses so many people.
Exactly why we should talk about it.
Fair point.
Ready?
Wait, let me fix my hair first.
Priorities.
Obviously.
Okay. Now ready?
Yep.
All right then. Let's start.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Today, we're talking about one of the most common English grammar topics.
Do and does.
Okay, before we properly start, let's ask everyone a quick question.
Good idea.
Which sentence is correct? Do he play football? Or does he play football? Think carefully. We'll explain everything in today's conversation. Honestly, this topic looks small, but so many learners make mistakes with it.
Very true.
Even beginners who know basic grammar sometimes get confused during speaking.
Because in fast conversation, people forget rules easily.
So let's make it simple.
Yes, no difficult grammar language today.
Only easy English.
Exactly. First rule. We use do with I, you, we, and they.
And we use does with he, she, and it.
Simple rule.
Example time.
Okay?
Do you like music?
Correct.
Does she like music?
Also correct.
Many people make this mistake. Does she likes music?
Yes, very common mistake.
After does, we use the base verb.
So it becomes, does she like music?
Exactly.
Same with negative sentences.
Right.
People say, she don't understand.
Instead of she doesn't understand.
Correct.
Honestly, does is not difficult. People just panic while speaking. True. Let's practice naturally.
Okay?
Do you wake up early? Sometimes.
That is not a clear answer.
Fine. Yes, I do. Better. Do you drink coffee every morning? Yes, I do.
See? Simple conversation already uses do.
Does your brother wake up early?
No, he doesn't.
Same problem as you.
Exactly.
Does your sister like English?
Yes, she does.
Nice.
You know what helped me understand do and does?
What?
Real conversations instead of boring grammar exercises.
Same, honestly.
Because grammar feels natural in conversation.
Another thing learners forget is short answers.
Oh, yes.
English speakers use short answers all the time.
Like, do you play cricket?
Yes, I do.
Or does he watch movies?
No, he doesn't.
Short answers sound more natural.
Definitely.
Let's do a fun rapid round.
Ready.
Do cats sleep a lot?
Yes, they do.
Does your phone battery die quickly?
Unfortunately, yes, it does.
Do you sing while showering?
Next question.
That means yes. Does your friend talk too much?
Absolutely. This is actually fun.
Grammar becomes easier when it feels casual.
Many learners think grammar means difficult rules.
But daily English uses simple grammar again and again. Exactly. One common mistake is, do she works here?
Dangerous sentence.
Very dangerous.
Correct sentence? Does she work here?
Because after does, the verb becomes simple.
No S.
No ES.
Just simple verb.
Let's explain one more thing clearly. Okay. Do and does are helping verbs.
They help us make questions and negative sentences.
Exactly.
For example, you like pizza.
Simple sentence.
Question form. Do you like pizza?
Easy. Another one. She plays football.
Question form. Does she play football?
Perfect.
You know what confused me before?
What?
Why does the S disappear from the main verb?
Because the S moves to does.
Exactly.
English likes moving grammar around.
Another thing is pronunciation.
True.
Some learners pronounce does incorrectly. Correct pronunciation sounds like does. English spelling and pronunciation are always fighting each other.
Very true.
Let's make more examples.
Okay.
Do your parents watch TV at night?
Yes, they do. Does your father cook food?
Rarely.
That was not the grammar answer.
Fine. No, he doesn't.
Do your friends play online games?
Yes, they do. Does your cousin live here?
No, she doesn't. Honestly, repetition helps a lot.
Definitely.
The more we hear correct grammar, the more natural it becomes.
Another mistake learners make is using do with singular subjects.
Like, do he know English?
Exactly.
Correct version. Does he know English?
Or do she drive a car?
Correct sentence. Does she drive a car?
Small mistakes, but very common.
Especially during fast speaking.
One thing I noticed is that confidence changes everything.
True.
Nervous people suddenly forget even easy grammar.
That happens to me sometimes too.
Same, honestly.
But practice slowly removes fear.
Let's practice negatives now.
Okay.
I do not like cold coffee.
Correct.
Short form, I don't like cold coffee.
More natural in conversation. She does not wake up early.
Correct.
Short form, she doesn't wake up early.
English speakers use contractions a lot.
Yes. Don't and doesn't sound more natural in daily conversation.
Let's make funny examples again.
Best part.
Do you dance when nobody is watching?
Maybe.
Suspicious answer.
Does your friend eat too much fast food?
Absolutely, yes, he does. Do you spend too much time on your phone?
That question feels personal. Does your alarm clock actually help you wake up?
No, it doesn't.
Same.
Grammar practice with jokes is much more enjoyable.
Definitely better than school worksheets. Another important thing is listening.
Yes.
Watching English videos helps learners hear grammar naturally.
That's why conversation videos are useful.
Books teach rules.
But conversations teach real usage.
Exactly.
Let's explain the basic rule one more time for everyone.
Good idea.
Use do with I, you, we, and they.
Example? Do they play football?
Use does with he, she, and it.
Example? Does she play football?
And after does, always use the base verb.
No extra S. I think beginners should practice this daily.
Yes.
Even 5 minutes of speaking practice helps.
Let's do one more mini quiz.
Okay.
Which sentence is correct?
Does he likes pizza Or does he like pizza?
Correct answer? Does he like pizza?
Another one.
She don't play cricket, or she doesn't play cricket.
Correct answer. She doesn't play cricket.
Easy when explained slowly.
Definitely.
You know what?
What?
Grammar feels much less scary now.
Because we're learning naturally.
Many learners think fluency means difficult English.
But real fluency means using simple English correctly.
Exactly.
Do you still make grammar mistakes sometimes?
Of course.
Same. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. That's why learners should not feel embarrassed. Practice matters more than perfection. Another useful tip: listen carefully to how native speakers ask questions.
Yes.
You'll hear do and does everywhere. Like, do you understand? Does he know? Do they live nearby? Does she work here? Daily English is full of these structures, which means mastering them is very important. Honestly, this topic looks small, but it improves speaking a lot. Definitely. All right, final quick test. Ready. Do we use does with they? No, we don't. Do we use does with she? Yes, we do. Does grammar become easier with practice?
Yes, it does.
Do conversations help learners improve? Absolutely they do. Nice. We survived another grammar topic. Barely. Final message for everyone watching? Don't fear grammar. Keep practicing simple English daily. And make mistakes confidently. Because mistakes help improvement. All right, everyone. See you next time. Keep learning English naturally. Bye. Bye.